Have you ever wondered how the left and right sides of your brain talk to each other? How do logic and creativity work together? The answer lies in a powerful structure inside your brain called the corpus callosum. In today's video, we'll explain the corpus callosum in simple language, why it is so important, how it works, and what happens when it doesn't work properly. If you're a psychology student, neuroscience learner, or just curious about the brain, this video is for you. What is the corpus callosum? The corpus callosum is a thick band of nerve fibers located at the center of the brain. It connects the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere of the brain. Think of it as a superhighway of information between both sides of the brain. It contains over 200 million nerve fibers. It allows both sides of the brain to communicate and work together. Without the corpus callosum, the two sides of the brain would act almost like separate brains. Location of the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum is located deep inside the brain, between the left and right cerebral hemispheres, just below the cerebral cortex. It is part of the forebrain and is visible in a brain MRI or cross-section view. Parts of the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum has four main parts, each with a specific role. 1. Rostrum. The front and bottom part connects areas related to emotions and decision-making. 2. Genu. The curved front part helps with higher thinking, attention, and problem-solving. 3. Body, or trunk. The longest part transfers motor, sensory, and cognitive information. 4. Splenium, the back part, important for vision, memory, and visual coordination. Functions of the corpus callosum. The main function of the corpus callosum is communication between brain hemispheres. Here's what it helps us do. 1. Coordination. Coordinates left and right hand movements. Helps with activities like writing, typing, and sports. 2. Thinking and learning. Combines logic, left brain, with creativity, right brain. Supports problem-solving and learning. 3. Sensory integration. Helps the brain understand touch, vision, and sound properly. 4. Language and emotions. Supports language comprehension. Helps balance emotions and social behavior. What happens if the corpus callosum is damaged? When the corpus callosum doesn't work properly, communication between the brain hemispheres becomes weak. This can happen due to birth defects, agenesis of corpus callosum, brain injury, stroke, brain surgery. Possible effects include poor coordination, learning difficulties, memory problems, difficulty processing information, emotional and social challenges. Split brain syndrome. One of the most famous conditions related to the corpus callosum is split brain syndrome. This happens when the corpus callosum is cut or damaged, usually during surgery for severe epilepsy. What's interesting, one hand may act without the person realizing it. A person may be able to draw with one hand, but not name the object. This condition helped scientists understand how each side of the brain works differently. Importance in psychology and neuroscience. In psychology, the corpus callosum helps explain brain lateralization, cognitive development, learning disorders, and emotional regulation. It plays a key role in child brain development and continues to mature into early adulthood. To sum it up, the corpus callosum connects the left and right brain. It allows us to think, move, learn, and feel normally. It is essential for brain coordination and intelligence. Without it, the brain cannot function as a unified system.